Hello everybody and welcome back. Yeah, today is a special day. I got a package from a viewer that asked me, well, I have this lock and I don't get why I cannot get it open or in a controlled way. I think he hasn't had it open sometimes, and he was just curious what I would say about this lock, if it is broken or what the problem could be. So I happily said yes, as he reached out and wanted to know if I could have a look at this lock and maybe make a short video about it. So I thought I'd take you along on the thought process and take it out. Hey, thank you very much. I'm looking forward for the video. And yeah, oh nice, he sent more locks. Very cool. Oh, this is a very old Burgwächter 11650, still made in West Germany, so before 1990. Very nice. Looking forward to tackle this one. Oh, and another one, similar one, a 40. But maybe I will film these later. But we were writing about this lock. If you know my channel, I love BKS locks. And he got this one, I think, from eBay. And this is a nice vintage BKS lock. Hardened steel. Oh, I wonder if one could get this actually. You will see. No, wrong key. This is what the key looks like. Oh, 0 lift pins in the back almost, I guess. Okay, interesting. I haven't seen that gutting, this blocking mechanism. Maybe one could even gut this. Yeah, maybe. But we will have a look at this later. Let's first of all try. Ooh. Yeah, if I have a new lock, I always, if I have the key, I test how hard I have to tension it to get it open. And this is very little movement, but you have to overcome quite some tension here. And this moves a little bit, this face. This is also a bit weird. I guess, yeah. There's only one way to find out how to pick this. Actually picking it. Oh, sorry. Needs oil. Okay. So, all locked up. Let's try which tensioner fits. This one's too small. This one could work. Turn it around. Yeah, other way was better. Okay, this has quite some slop to it, but I hope it will be okay. Let's start out with this profile here. Set the focus. And yeah, let's go. How do the pins feel? Okay, something on pin 2. I'm just getting familiar with the lock now. I'm not really progressing yet. They feel a bit crunchy, but yeah, I guess from the age. No really click here. Still binding on 2. Okay. And I will increase tension quite a bit because I felt with the key how hard it turned. Okay. Okay, pin 1 is very short, you see that on the key. So this can hide behind the tensioner quite well, and I think I have it now. Pin 2 also. Pin 3's not binding yet. Okay, no, pin 5 is binding, but this is a very long key pin, so I have to be careful not to overset it. But it's also hard to come on top of it. Okay, got it. And we got very, very small core movement. So maybe we are in a false set, or I don't know about the pins. Let's see. Okay, everything feels springy. So I increased tension a bit and I got some core movement, so I guess it was just a bit stuck. Yeah, now 3 is binding. So I guess 3 is a spool. Yeah, getting some counter rotation there now. And yeah, that whole thing, it feels just a bit sandy, so to say, gritty. This is now pin 4, I think, where I get counter rotation. Okay, and we're open. So yeah, with all this talking and so on, that took a minute. But basically what I had to do was apply a lot of force that I learned already through the key. And then when I had some core movement, it's always nice to pulse the tension a bit, just give it a bit more tension, and maybe the core will move just a little bit further. And only then I had some little core movement, and only then further pins bound up. And yeah, this is how that worked out. And now I will fast forward a bit and try to get this actually. Let's have the fingers crossed. I have no idea if this works. See you back in a second either way.
One eternity later.
Okay, yeah, welcome back from fast forward. I'm sorry I wasn't successful. Well, I got it out. So this is what the inside looks like. Now it will be fun to put back together. It is all sprung loaded. We'll see how this goes. And yeah, basically this is the lock. This one slide it out like this. It's interesting to see here the room for the shackle. Here was a piece that has the shackle in place, I guess. And unfortunately, of course, I can turn the lock just as far as it goes, but it won't come out. There's 6 holes in the top, and I was hoping for that I can do something on the 6th, that there's a retaining pin, and I guess there must be the retaining pin, but I cannot figure it out right now. I will try to figure it out, and if I cut back here, then maybe I found it. Otherwise I end the video here. And yeah, thanks again for sending me these locks. I hope my tips how to approach these kind of slogs that are used, that have some wear to it, help you, and I help you pick this lock when I get it back together and send it back to you. Yeah, to everybody who's still here, thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you have similar approaches when you tackle a lock that you don't know. And yeah, hope to see you all in the next video. Bye!